Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add fog in your scene. Let's get started. So I have my model open up here and I want to add fog in the area. So there's two ways to add fog. The first way is by adding light. I'm going to choose this light. I'm going to place it in the middle and I'm going to turn on haze. So by turning haze, as you can see, it created a fog in this area. By increasing your radius, you can then increase the area where the fog is, and then you can increase the intensity as well of the fog. You can also click more under haze, and you can drop the intensity so that you can still see your model. So as you can see the model much better when you lower the intensity under haze. So I'm gonna close this and just gonna delete this light that we added. So the next way to do this, and this is what I mostly do, is under settings, click on weather, and then go to effects, and then increasing your smog. So once you increase your smog, as you can see, it has this fog effect that is blended all throughout your model, which is much better. And then once you export the image, it will look like this. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.